RG, watch front.
Guys, looking at the door, watch left window to that door.
If you poke through that door, you're dead. They got someone right on it. I feel pinned.
Hit!
No.
I think that's a Rico. That's gotta...
I can't tell.
Dude, that's gotta...
You gotta think.
That's a Rico. There's no one that can hit me from here.
Yeah, no, that's a recoil. Then that's a recoil. So you gotta go then. That's what I mean. Like, figure out which one it is. You down? You done?
If I call it, it's okay. Roger that.
You're fine. Purple's in the building.
Guys, I took myself out by calling a hit.
Ooh. Oh shit! They're pushing up hard. We are going up.
So if it was a Rico, but if I call it, I gotta go.
You called it a hit. So
Yes, I did. Okay.
if you hadn't called it a hit, that'd have been one thing, but you did call the hit.
Yeah, I thought it was a hit, and then looking around, like, dude, yeah, okay, whatever, it's fine. No, it's okay.
Fucking that entire house.
Are you? I got you.
Yes.
I was gonna turn around and watch you do it on camera. Dude, that would. Ah! Oh. Okay, I don't know what you could pick up, but we are surrounded going back to the spawn. I'm not gonna make it to the house alone. I'm gonna have to start annihilating those people. Right now, just walking back here, there's like 7 people lined up right here. We're not going to get back to that house.
Yeah, alright. I'll try to make something work. There's people that way, so...
Let's leave them be. Hopefully if they push up.
Yeah, let's go help those guys.
I fucking got out by calling a ricochet. And then once I realized it was a ricochet, they said, too bad you called it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Push left side.
All right, don't engage right out of the spawn. If these people are new and don't know this is a spawn, we don't want them camping here.
Do you remind me how long we have to sit and respawn?
You don't have to at all. You have to sit when you're getting medicked for 60 seconds. When you hit a respawn, you just have to tap a tree that's got a spray paint on it.
Got it.
Any color spray paint.
Got it.
You fucking serious? Watch and see if this dude signals. Friendly. Yeah, medic's not.
Hey, medic!
Sorry, didn't hear you.
No, you hit me more than him. That's fucking. Oh, I didn't see you. Hello.
Hi.
I thought they were all over there. You're clever. Oh, shit, I can't be robotic. Fuck. All right. Dead man. Dead man walking.
I think I see another. Move, 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 move. I just took out 3 of them. No, take cover, but we can still rush that house. I've taken out like 3 or 4 guys, pinning down. We have a friendly sniper moving up left. Sorry! Friendly, friendly!
I don't think you're that friendly. I don't need that speak on it.
Friendly, friendly! This is a bad spot. House is clear. Purple in, purple in. Friendly, friendly, friendly.
Friendly. I'm also friendly. Huh?
You're friendly other a lot of people. Friendly coming in, friendly coming in.
Friendly in. Purple in, purple in. We didn't lose it, Jordan.
Nearby. Purple's inside. Woo! I heard that door. Oh, shit.
Dude, every time I see it hit him, he changes fucking position, but nothing's hitting him. He changes position for no reason.
Oh, that guy? Yeah.
Friendly, come in. Come, 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 come. Keep in, keep in.
Holy shit. They're probably from that window.
Hang on, you're dead. Oh, I thought you did. My bad. Oh, my bad.
You want to hear it?
I thought I did, that's why.
That right there cover? Oh, probably not, but yeah.
Got that going on the right? You like? It's also a squat.
Oh, is he right at that wheel? Is he hit? What the hell was
Yo,
that?
what the
What the hell was that?
You saw it too?
Yeah!
Buddy, if the BB's not doing it, my fist will.
Okay, again, I'm gonna go ride my boots.
You can really just